Every second, 14,000 tons of water melt into the oceans from the polar ice caps. This causes global sea levels to rise by 3 millimeters each year. Although this number may look small, it can have devastating effects. As the sea level rises, coastal communities become more vulnerable to weather and flooding. Raising sea levels increases the amount of water available to penetrate these areas, thus leading to devastation. By the year 2050, it is estimated that the U.S. coastline will experience a foot of sea level rise. This puts millions of lives at risk. Miami, LA, Seattle, New York, San Diego, San Francisco, New Orleans. These are just some of the cities that will be underwater in just a few decades, unless we do something now. It is true that we cannot stop sea level rise overnight, but we can make big shifts to slow the rate at which it unfolds, and maybe someday even reverse it. We must urge policymakers to put in new regulations, such as limiting the exposure of CO2 gases and other pollutants coming from our industry sector. We must urge decision makers of the world to increase tax write-offs for electric and fuel-efficient cars, as well as increasing funding for public transit sectors. We need to increase the adoption of clean energy, such as solar energy, geothermal energy, hydroelectric power, wind energy, and even nuclear power. Finally, we need to make changes in our own lives, such as using more bicycles, supporting locally grown agriculture, recycling, and even as basic as planting a tree. Together, we can make a difference. Enroll in AP Environmental Science to learn how you can make a